If you want to activate eSIM on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here in the settings we need to choose network and internet, open SIMs and mobile network, and finally over here we have download new SIM option. This button allows you to pretty much activate eSIM on your phone. As you can see over here, we can press setup and eSIM. So if you go over here, you should be able to open the QR code scanner. Now, if this button is not available on your phone, this might be because the eSIM is simply not supported on this phone in your region, because there are some region differences between the same phone models. So you just might want to check if your region actually provides eSIM for this phone. Nevertheless, once you open the rear camera, we need to put the QR code from the courier that we received from the courier over here within the frame. You can also scan from photo by using this text, or you can enter the activation code over here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.